For this brief source project, you are going to identify 4 sources, generate a thesis, and answer how the 4 sources support the thesis that you are trying to prove. There are 5 pages. Each page should have 1 source, as indicated, source 2, 3, and 4, and then the front page should have your thesis and answer the question how. Thesis guidelines are provided here. You want to make sure that your thesis is historically accurate and make sure that you have at least 2 sources which are going to be text-based. Using Unit 1, a quick thesis, ancient African empires contradict the Dark Continent thesis because the Mali Empire had a thriving global economy, Great Zimbabwe was known for military defense, and the Aksumite Empire economy consisted of coinage. Now for Unit 1, there really are not too many written sources, so we're definitely not going to use this assignment for Unit 1 because of the written source requirement. But if I was to complete this assignment for that unit, here we have the map that is depicting the Mali Empire. Here we have the image of the Great Zimbabwe structures, and then we would need a written source 3 and 4 because the directions are requiring you to have at least 2 sources that are text-based. So you're going to have to, for units, if this is assigned for 2, 3, or 4, you're going to have to look into those particular required sources, come up with your own unique thesis, and then use 4 sources and then submit this particular packet. And you're going to have each source on each page, and whatever section of the source, especially if it's written, you are going to just include that here. I do not need the whole source, but I do need the name of the source. So again, we're going to have a thesis statement. We're going to answer the question how the cited sources support your thesis, and then we are going to include the 4 sources in this particular submission.